Here we go with problem 1. Solve for n. So we want to get n by itself. So we need to move that w over. How do we get rid of adding a w? We subtract a w from both sides. Gets rid of it on the left side of the equal sign. So it equals, on the right, 8 minus w. Problem 2, solve for n. First, got to move that y over. So I add y to both sides. 2n is equal to w plus y. So how do I get rid of multiplying by 2? Divide by 2. And there's my answer, w plus y divided by 2. Solve for w. Volume equals length times width times height. So w, well, let's see. Right now it's being multiplied by L and by H. So let's start first by just divide by L. I divide by L, and that'll cancel out. I also need to divide by H, which will cancel out. So I divide the V by H. So W is equal to the volume divided by the length and the height in the bottom. That's a little tricky. Don't worry too much about that. I will not give one like that to you on the test. But basically, you need to divide by both pieces. Solve for n. Now, right here is n right here. So I need to move the y over and the w over, and then I'll divide by that a that it's being multiplied by. So we'll just add y first. So a times n, take away the w, equals x plus y. Now we'll go ahead and add the w. Now, granted, you could have done it all. You could have added the w and y at the same time, but that's okay. Take it one step at a time. X plus y plus w. Now, these three things could be in any order. Could have x plus w plus y. It doesn't matter. You're adding three things. They're all the same. How do I get rid of multiplying by a? I divide by a. So n is equal to x plus y plus w, all divided by a. Solve for n. So the 3h needs to move over. So I add 3h to both sides of the equal sign. 5 times n is what I'm left with because that goes away. 7h plus, now notice that's 10h. We can actually add those together. They're the same thing. Now we got to undo multiplying by 5, so we divide by 5. And that actually can be divided by 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So this is 2h. And we'll do one more here, trying to get n by itself. We need to put together things first. Notice you have an n plus 3n, so that's 4n. We have a lose a y, gain 6y, so that's gain 5y. Take away the c equals the number 22. So we're trying to get n by itself. So let's go ahead and add c to both sides of the equal sign. 4n plus 5y. The c's go away here. 22 plus c. Now I'm going to go ahead and move over my 5y. So I'm going to subtract 5y. Almost there. 4n is equal to 22 plus a c. Take away 5y. Now we just need to divide by 4 to get n by itself. And here is our answer. N is equal to 22 plus c minus 5y divided by 4.